Nandito tayo ngayon sa GC Cafe dito sa Rizal area. Nakita lang namin to guys sa TikTok. At since wala tayong mapupuntahan today para lang may ganap, tatry natin yung GC Cafe. Let's go! Let's go! Turn on. Hi! Afternoon. Okay. Open naman yung space sa taas. You can go ahead and try. Okay, ikutin muna natin. So, medyo malaki to ha. Saan magandang spot? Pinakamaganda? Sa loob nito? Bakit? Anong meron? May aircon dun sa loob. Ayan, tabs lang tayo. So, siguro pag gabi, okay itong nasa labas. Hindi naman ganun kainit. Pero if you're a type of person na gusto ng aircon, yan. So, dito pwede. Pero check muna natin pataas. Let's go. So, ayan, may paakyat, may pa-rooftop pa sila here. Ayan. So, this is the rooftop area. Siguro maganda ito pag gabi. Na wala pang araw, ano. Ayan. Then from here, you'll see the street, right? Those cars, vehicles. Pero since mainit, baba muna tayo. Let's go, baba muna tayo kasi mainit pa. Dito tayo sa aircon. Good thing there's a vacant seat for two. Yeah, maybe we can occupy this. So pili na tayo ng menu or order natin. Let's go. Of course, our order is here. We just ordered pizza, tapos fries with, I don't know what kind of fries is this, with cheese and certain topping. Ay, sorry, okay na. And then we also ordered, of course, this is the best. Look at the pizza, so sarap. Let's go ahead and eat. Hi. Look at that. Okay, okay.